Have you ever thought about creating a content strategy that fits perfectly within your comfort zone? Imagine crafting a winning plan without stretching your limits excessively. Today, I'm going to guide you through some steps to develop a content strategy that aligns with your natural strengths while still achieving outstanding results. First, start with self reflection. Understand your strengths and weaknesses. What topics do you feel passionate about? What skills do you excel at? By identifying these areas, you can base your content on subjects you naturally gravitate towards, ensuring authenticity and ease. Next, research your audience deeply. Knowing their interests, preferences, and pain points can steer your content direction effortlessly. Create personas that resemble your target audience, allowing you to design content that speaks directly to their needs and desires. Let's talk about content formats. It's crucial to choose formats you're comfortable with and excel in, whether it's blog posts, video content, podcasts, or social media updates. Each format has its nuances, and working with one you're familiar with can reduce stress and enhance creativity. As you plan your content, crafting a content calendar is essential. It helps organize your thoughts and keeps you on track. Schedule your content around your peak productivity times, when ideas flow easily and creativity is at its peak. Remember, consistency is key. Rather than pressuring yourself to churn out content daily, establish a rhythm that suits you. Whether weekly or bi-weekly, find a pace that lets you deliver quality over quantity, keeping engagement high without burnout. At this point, if you're finding value in our approach to maintaining comfort while being strategic, consider subscribing to our channel. We regularly share tips that help balance your content creation efforts with a much needed sense of ease. Back to strategy. Engagement with your audience should be authentic. Respond to comments, seek feedback, and adapt accordingly. This interaction nurtures a community around your content, making the process rewarding and less solitary. Finally, measure your results tactfully. Use analytics to assess what's working, adapting your strategies as needed. Remember, adjustments are not a deviation from comfort, but rather steering towards more effective outcomes. Crafting a winning content strategy from the comfort of your familiar zone is entirely achievable. By understanding your strengths, choosing suitable formats, and maintaining consistent engagement, you can create impactful content without stepping too far outside your comfort parameters. We hope these insights will empower you to develop a content strategy that resonates both with you and your audience. Don't forget to click on the next video appearing on your screen for more engaging insights on mastering your content journey.